talking to the birds.
And they're talking back.
Yeah.
Woo woo!
The birds and then noticed we were people.
They noticed we were people?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
Then they said, uh-oh, we're talking to people. Run away!
Fly away.
Come back!
You see those big dead branches up there?
Yeah. Why aren't they still on the alive tree?
Well, that happens sometimes, especially with a tree that big. Some parts of it will die, but the rest of it can live. I think if there's a really big storm, that branch might come down.
Oh, look, that's the highest branch that's dead.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, but those are not. Those are the. Those are the lowest ones. I guess they only talk to me. They're gone.
Guess they got tired of talking to us.
Look how low those are. They're way lower than their brothers.